Hello. Yes, now the 5 marks very important questions of your medicinal chemistry 1. Here we will study the fourth question you are observing from the question paper 2022. Write a note on cholinesterase inhibitors, give examples and mode of action. Very important question. This is asked many times. Means inhibitors you have to write. How to inhibit the cholinesterase inhibitors. And with the help of the diagrams we will study. Don't worry about the notes. Just you understand the concept. You will get the notes in the description. Now see what it says means this cholinesterase inhibitor, they are also known as acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. Means simple. See what they will do means they will inhibit the enzyme acetylcholinesterase from breaking down neurotransmitter acetylcholine into choline and the acetate. See this acetylcholine, okay, means these both are the acetylcholine. What is this? It is a neurotransmitter. The breaking of these acetylcholine get stopped with the help of these inhibitors. You are observing the M here. M means these are the receptors, means M1, M2, M3 and M4 muscarinic receptors. These are okay. Two types of receptors are there. We will study the receptors in later next class. Better you understand this M. What is this M? Muscarinic. Okay, M1, M2, M3, M4 and M5. See acetylcholine, I have told you, without breaking of this acetylcholine is maintained with the help of the acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. Means the enzyme acetylcholinesterase, what it will do, it will break down this acetylcholine. Okay, acetylcholine it will break down, but this acetylcholinesterase, okay, enzyme is inhibited with the help of the acetylcholinesterase inhibitor. Okay, and see main I have told you the enzyme work is to inhibit, to catabolize. So the work of this catabolism stopped by the acetylcholine inhibitors, means acetylcholinesterase inhibitors, ACHI. Okay, you better understand these some of the short terms ACHI. Clear? Now let's discuss the next concept, what it says. Now one question is, sir, how they will inhibit means what they will do means they will increase both the level and duration of action of this acetylcholine in the central nervous system. If the duration of action and the viability increases means there is no chance of breaking down of acetylcholine. There are two basic classifications of inhibitors where in a cholinesterase inhibitors. One is a reversible inhibitor, okay, and another one is irreversible inhibitor. See, reversible and irreversible inhibitors, in the name itself they are telling you, they are speaking you. Reverse means the condition can be again reversed. Irreversible means it cannot be reversed. Now reversible, see, ACHI means acetylcholinesterase inhibitors. If we remove this means what happens, they again the condition get reversed. Means what the action of the acetylcholinesterase inhibitors, they will stop the breaking down of the acetyl and choline, means acetic acid and choline, they will stop down. After the removal of this acetylcholine inhibitors, then what happens, gradually how the work of that means the breaking down, the catabolism of the acetyl and choline takes place with the help of the enzyme cholinesterase. Cholinesterase is one enzyme that helps for the breakdown. Clear? The example of the reversible type of the inhibitors is neostigmine and cyclostigmine. These are the two very important examples. Clear? Next we will study irreversible type of the inhibitors. Here in the name itself it is indicating irreversible means the condition cannot be reversed. Here very simple, the in the receptors what happens, the acetylcholine is deposited in such a way it cannot be separated, means it acts for the longer time, long lasting, and contains various organophosphorus compounds here with the covalent bonding. Examples are parathion and malathion. Basically these are used in insecticides in agriculture, and also this malathion it is used to treat the head lice, body lice, etc. Okay, so you will get the notes in the description. You don't worry about the notes, the full notes you will get in the description. Download the notes from the description. The basic thing is here you have to understand the concept. Next here, the last concept here is mode of action. What's the mode of action of our these inhibitors? Very simple. You are observing the two structures here. These two structures the stores acetylcholine. Okay, mainly what this stores here acetylcholine. This is acetylcholine, then one more acetylcholine, one more acetylcholine. See, if the acetylcholine concentration increases, means gradually what happens, these acetylcholine esterase enzymes, they get inactivated. Okay, why they get inactivated acetylcholine esterase enzymes? Because they get stopped, उन्हें रोका गया है किसके द्वारा? इनहिबिटर्स के द्वारा. ಅವರಿಗೆ ತಡೆಗಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಂದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ breakdown of this acetylcholine. Main function, you remember, the main function of this acetylcholinesterase enzyme is to break down the acetyl and choline. This breakdown property strictly inhibited by this which one? Inhibitors, that is cholinesterase inhibitors or acetylcholine inhibitors. Gradually the concentration increases, the property also increases. See, this is the very important one.